I'm here today working on my mom's 2010 Honda Crosstour. The liftgate arms on either side of this door have gone bad. After 10 years, that's not so surprising, but you'll be surprised at how easy these are to replace. All right, now the first thing you're gonna need to do is find something that's gonna support this hood so it doesn't come crashing down on you. Now, we got a new set of these on Amazon for about 30 bucks. You just gotta make sure you're matching up the right model and make and year of your car with the liftgate arms that you need, and also make sure that you're getting the rear and not the hood. As it turns out, I actually also have to replace the arms on the hood, which I will do later in this video. Now, to get these off, there's a little spot right here that you can put a small screwdriver and just kind of shove that under there until that little bracket pops off. And then you just do the same thing for the one at the bottom. And then this just pops. Oops. Oh, whoop. Oh, my board fell. Uh-oh. Learn from my mistakes, people. I switched out this board for a ladder, which is slightly taller. You really do need to make sure you get something that's right at about the right height, because as soon as you start pushing this thing up to get that old liftgate arm loose, it made my board fall, and then the thing came crashing down on me anyway. So, I mean, if you have to, get a friend to come over and just hold it up for you. Now, to put the new one in, you're gonna loosen up that same little bracket on the new one. And then also on the other end. And then just pop it on that little ball. Okay, and then the one at the top as well. You may have to twist it a little bit down here at the bottom to get it to fit properly up here at the top. Ah, there we go. Then you just move these little clips back into place. There we go. Go. And then you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. And I actually did this once before on my Chrysler Town & Country minivan. So if you want to see that video, you can go ahead and take a look at that. Although it is basically the exact same procedure. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, ta-da!
Oh, wow.
It works. Now, let's see. Pull it down. All right. Oh, it works. This one also needs some new lift arms on either side. Luckily, this one's a little bit lighter, but it's still kind of hazardous. Now, to get these off, you're gonna pry off these little covers here on the bottom and on the top as well. Alright, and it just comes right off. Same thing over here. Move these clips out of the way, and then it comes right off. Now, the new lift gate arms for the hood cost us about 20 bucks for a set of two. They're a little cheaper than the rear because, number one, this door or this hood is a lot lighter, and also it doesn't get opened as often. To put those on, you're just gonna loosen the clips. It can be a little tricky. Okay. And then just pop them right on there. Okay. Then just pop the clips back into place and do the other one. Put the clips back in place and let's go see. All right. Worked. Yes. Ow. Just stabbed my finger. That was really dumb. Those must have been really close out there.